Slide 1. Bioinorganic Chemistry. Hello everyone, and welcome to this lecture on bioinorganic chemistry focusing on iron and its crucial role in the human body. My name is Muhammad Shahid Nadeem, and I'm excited to guide you through this fascinating topic. We'll explore the chemistry of iron within biological systems and its significance for human health. Iron is an essential trace element, meaning our bodies need it in small amounts to function properly. A typical 70 kilograms human contains about 3 to 5 grams of iron, with the majority, around 75%, found in the blood. The rest is stored in the liver, bone marrow, and muscles, highlighting its widespread importance. Heme, a compound containing iron, is a particularly prominent substance in the human body. Heme is a vital component of numerous enzymes and proteins, collectively known as hemoproteins. These include hemoglobin, myoglobin, cytochromes, and enzymes like catalase and peroxidase, all essential for various biological processes. Myoglobin, found in muscles, accounts for at least 5% of the body's iron. Additionally, proteins like ferritin, transferrin, and hemosiderin contain non-heme iron, playing crucial roles in iron storage and transport. To ensure we have enough iron for these vital functions, it's important to consume iron-rich foods. Excellent sources include liver, meat, poultry, and fish. For vegetarians and vegans, leafy green vegetables, beans, milk, and legumes are also good options to incorporate into your diet. The daily iron requirements vary depending on age and sex. Children between 1 and 10 years old need about 10 milligrams per day. Women between 19 and 50 years old require 18 milligrams per day, while pregnant women need even more, around 27 milligrams per day. Lactating women need an extra 9 to 10 mg day. Men over 19 years old generally need around 8 milligrams per day. Iron absorption primarily occurs in the duodenum and upper jejunum of the small intestine. Typically, we absorb only 1 to 2 milligrams of iron daily. Hemi-iron, found in animal products, is absorbed more efficiently than non-heme iron, which is found in plant-based foods. Before absorption, iron III is converted to iron II by duodenal cytochrome. B-iron II is then absorbed by DMT1, divalent metal ion transporter 1 protein. Hemi-iron is taken up through the heme transporter. Once inside the enterocytes, iron is transported to the plasma via a membrane protein called ferroportin 1. Iron II is immediately converted to iron III in the blood plasma by proteins known as hephaestin or ceruloplasmin. Iron III then binds to transferrin, which transports it throughout the body to cells that need it. If the body doesn't immediately need iron, it's stored in the intestinal mucosal cells as mucosal ferritin. This stored iron is eventually lost when the epithelial cells die and are shed, representing a natural mechanism for regulating iron levels. The body tightly regulates iron levels through a hormone called hepcidin, produced by the liver in response to increased iron availability. Hepcidin acts by blocking ferroportin 1, preventing iron from entering the bloodstream from the enterocytes. This mechanism helps prevent iron overload and maintain iron homeostasis. Adequate iron intake provides numerous health benefits. It treats anemia by supporting red blood cell production, boosts hemoglobin levels, and reduces fatigue. Iron also plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system, improving cognitive function, and even restoring healthy sleep patterns. Iron exerts its physiological effects primarily through the molecules in which it is incorporated. Hemoglobin and myoglobin, for example, are essential for oxygen and carbon dioxide transport, enabling cellular respiration and energy production. Normal hemoglobin levels in the blood range from 13.5 to 16.5 g/100 ml in males and 12.5 to 15 g/100 ml in females. The hemoglobin molecule consists of two main parts: the heme group, which contains iron, and the globin protein. Heme is synthesized in the mitochondria, while globin is produced in ribosomes, highlighting the coordinated cellular processes involved in hemoglobin production. One molecule of globin binds with 4 molecules of heme to form hemoglobin. Globin consists of 4 polypeptide chains, each harboring one heme group. Each tetramer of HB binds with 2,3-diphosphoglycerate, DPG, 2,3-DGP. The reaction of oxygen with HB is oxygenation, not oxidation. One HB molecule binds to 4 O2 molecules. Less than 0.01 seconds is required for oxygenation. Beta chains come closer to each other on oxygenation. On oxygenation, 2,3-DPG is pushed out. Beta chains are pulled apart when O2 is unloaded. It permits the entry of 2,3-DPG and lowers affinity with O2. When hemoglobin has a high affinity for oxygen in the lungs, it is known as oxyhemoglobin or the R form. This form facilitates efficient oxygen uptake in the lungs where oxygen concentration is high. When hemoglobin has a low affinity for oxygen in the tissues, it is known as deoxyhemoglobin or the T form. This form promotes oxygen release in the tissues where oxygen concentration is lower and the need for oxygen is greater. In the lungs, where oxygen concentration is high, hemoglobin binds with oxygen and acquires the R form, oxygenated. In the tissues, HB binds with 2,3-DPG, which lowers the affinity of HB with oxygen, and oxygen is released to the tissues, deoxygenated. When HB binds with CO2, it is known as carbaminohemoglobin. If HB binds with CO, carbon monoxide, it is known as carboxyhemoglobin. Myoglobin, as the name suggests, myo from muscles, globin, a globular protein, is found in muscle tissue. It's a small protein with 153 amino acids, characterized by 8 alpha helices and the absence of beta-pleated sheets and disulfide linkages. It consists of a single polypeptide chain with a heme group as its prosthetic group. Deoxymyoglobin, containing Phe-sicu, is bluish-red and binds to molecular oxygen, O2, forming bright red oxymyoglobin. Myoglobin has oxygen storage capacity. It provides oxygen to muscles and mitochondria when required. Thank you for your attention. I hope this lecture has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of the vital role of iron in the human body.